the general chemistry. Today discussing topic is calculation of ground state energy of helium atom by using the perturbation method. Perturbation method యూస్ చేసి ఒక హీలియం యాటమ్ యొక్క గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ ఎనర్జీని ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాము అన్నది దీంట్లో చూస్తాం. ఓకేనా, ఒక హీలియం పెర్ట్రిబేషన్ మెథడ్ని యూజ్ చేసి హీలియం యాటమ్ యొక్క గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఏ విధంగా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది అన్నది దీంట్లో చూస్తాం. ఓకేనా, దీంట్లోకి వచ్చినప్పటికీ first one, calculation of ground state energy of helium atom by using this perturbation method. Helium atom consists of one nucleus and two electrons. Okay, ఒక nucleus, two electrons తో consist అవుతుంది helium atom. These will be attractive forces. These will be attractive forces exist between this electron and nucleus, and repulsion force exist between this electron. ఓకే చూడండి, ఎలక్ట్రాన్కి మధ్యలో రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్కి నెక్స్ట్ న్యూక్లియస్కి మధ్యలో రెండు ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్కి ఒక న్యూక్లియస్కి మధ్యలో ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, అట్రాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ హీలియం atom by using the perturbation method లోకి వచ్చినప్పటికీ helium atom consist of one electron and ఓకేనా, హీలియం atom consists of one nucleus and two electrons. There will be attractive forces exist between this electron and nucleus. Nuclear repulsion forces exist between the electron మధ్యలో repulsion forces అనేవి ఉంటాయి. న్యూక్లియస్కి ఎలక్ట్రాన్కి మధ్యలో అట్రాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. ది హీలియం యాటమ్కి వచ్చినప్పటికీ హ్యామిల్టోనియన్ ఆపరేటర్లో హ్యామిల్టోనియన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫర్ దిస్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ H cap equal to T cap plus V cap. T cap means kinetic energy. T cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square me del square minus h square by 8 pi square me del 2 square. V cap equal to V cap, that is a potential energy, equal to minus Ze square by R1 minus Ze square by R2 plus E square by R2, where Z is the atomic number, E is the charge of electron, R is the distance between the electron and the nucleus, where H square by 4 pi square me E is the constant, that equal to nearly 1, or E equal to 1. When H cap equal to minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus 1 by 2 del 2 square minus Z by R1 minus Z by R2 plus 1 by R1 and R2. Okay na? This is the Hamiltonian operator in this 0 point energy level. In R12 is the internuclear repulsion. According to perturbation theory, the Hamiltonian operator H cap equal to H cap 1 naught plus H cap 2 naught plus 1 by R12. Okay na, H cap equal to H cap naught plus 1 by R12. Okay na, we know that H cap equal to H cap naught plus lambda H cap 1, where H cap 1 equal to 1 by R12. Since the H cap is always less than or more less than H cap naught. Okay na, this is the perturbation to use the perturbation theory. According to perturbation theory, the energy equation can be written as E equal to E naught plus E naught 1. Okay na, where E naught is the zeroth order energy level, and unperturbation system, its value is minus 108.8 eV. The first order correlation to this ground state is E naught 1 equal to psi naught H cap 1 and psi naught. Okay na, they substituted the value of psi naught and H cap 1, and the simplification, the above equation, we get E naught 1 equal to 5 by 8 Z into AU. Okay na, Z into AU, that is the order of energy, and that equal to, దాన్ని సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేస్తే H 5 by 8 into 2 into 27.3. దాన్ని ఇంకా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేస్తే E naught 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుద్ది 5 by 4. ఓకేనా, ఈ 2ని దీంట్లో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 5 by 4 into 27.3, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 34 EV అవుతుంది. E ఈక్వల్ టు E naught E ప్లస్ E naught 1, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 108.8 EV ప్లస్ 34 EV అవుతుంది. E ఈక్వల్ టు minus 74.8 EV. This is the first order energy correlation value, okay na. But the experimentally the value for ground state energy of the helium atom is minus 79 point ev, and the ground state energy of helium atom for perturbation system is minus 74.8 ev. The differences is the about 5% error from this experimentally to calculate this energy. And since we have to consider the second order energy correction, a naught 2 equal to minus 4 ev. The ground state energy of helium atom is given by E equal to 74.8 ev minus 4 ev. E equal to minus 78.8. Then which the nearly equal to this experimental value. This is the nearly equal to this experimental value, that equal to minus 79.9 ev. Okay na. This is the very near to the experimental value. And Hunter-Flock self-constant and field method. The two approximation methods does not give the accurate result to this ionization of the Schrodinger wave equation for helium atom. The HFLC method, the sufficient from drawing that the orbital product wave function is the not asymmetric. The flock used to asymmetric have the function of followed the same interaction procedure decided by this 100. The orbital finally obtained as the 100 Herc and the self-considered atomic orbitals. According to this 100 flock, they have the wave function psi is experimentally as determined for an n electron atom. The wave function can be written as the product of one electron wave function psi equal to 1 by root ni into psi 1 pi 1 pi 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 so on 5 n by 2 to the power of n. That is the equation number 1, where the determination have been represented through diagonal electron, that is the pi 1 a spin orbital with the electron and the alpha spin, and psi 2 is the spin orbitals which electrons and beta spin in this same orbital. So phi 1 and phi 1 and so on. This maximum energy is indicated by E equal to psi star. Okay na. Maximum amount of energy is indicated by E equal to xi naught h cap xi. Okay na. This is the total energy of the electron. Okay na. In the asymmetric system, this xi is leads to introduction the new operations, and created flock operations in this place of H cap, the including electronic repulsions as well as electron exchange. Okay no. This flock operations it intimate for this any electrons that equal to f bar or E naught I equal to minus 1 by 2 del I square minus z by r1 ri plus sigma j equal to 0 m by 2 into 2 j cap j1 minus k cap j1. That is the equation number 2. And the Hamiltonian equation for this and for the electron is F E cap I pi by 1 equal to C I pi I. That is equal to equation number 4, where J in any orbital and n by 2 is the number of orbitals for electrons. The operation J I cap and K I cap are defined as the any pair of electrons that equal to 1 electron and 1 and 2 as the j cap 1 pi cap 1 equal to pi cap integral pi j cap 2 1 by r1 to r pi j 2 d t cap 2 and pi I 1. Okay na. J cap means Coulombic operations. Okay na? And k cap j1 pi j1 equal to integral xi 3 pi 3 store and 2 1 by r 1 2 pi 1 2 d tau and pi j. K is the exchange operator. Pi I 1 is the eigen function that equal to j cap j. Now the integral and multiplication with the pi I star and the equation number 4. Now integrated and multiplication with equation number 4, multiplication with pi I star 1, the above equation multiplied and integration with దేంతోని pi I star తో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే కనుక we get integral pi I star 1 j cap j1 d tau into theta plus into theta equal to integral xi1 star 1 and xi1 star and xi2 star 1. Finally we get integral pi 1 star k cap j1 pi j1 d tau equal to integral pi 1 star 1 integral pi j star 2 1 by r1 r2 pi 1 d tau and pi 1 d tau and integral pi 1 star 1 pi j star 2 1 by r2 pi 1 2 pi j 1 d tau or d2 equal to kij, that equal to ei equal to integral pi 1 star f cap pi 1 I d tau. Ei equal to integral pi I star into 1 minus 1 by 2 del I square minus z by r1 plus integral sigma I j equal to 0 n by 1 into 2 j cap j into 1 minus k cap j into 1 into pi I d tau. Okay, ei equal to integral pi 1 star minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus z by r1 into pi 1 d tau plus sigma j equal to 1 n by 2 integral j 5 I star pi I star 2 cap j into k cap j, that equal to ei equal to ei into 0 sigma j equal to 1 n by 2 2 j I j equal to k I j. Okay na? From this equation number 6 and 7, in this above equation ei naught is represented the one electron energy of the orbital in the perturbation method of the all electrons are called as Kern electrons, where the second term is in the sum of Coulombic and exchange energy involves will the electrons 2jik minus kik equal to 2 into integral pi I star into 1 and pi star k into 2 1 by r1 r2 pi I 1 into pi k 2 d tau minus integral pi I star 1 and pi star k into 2 1 by r1 r2 pi 1 2 pi k 2 d tau. The orbital energy ei electronic ei no atom energy atom sorry 1 minute wait amma. The orbital energy ei of an electron in this orbital that equal to pi I of the atom is the sum of this hydrogen like energies that equal to ei1 and ei2, the electron repulsion and exchange of energy if all the other electrons in their orbitals, if all the orbitals are If all the orbitals are occupied the sum of orbitals energy of the all the electrons is Ei and Ej is the substitutions for this sigma 2 and sigma I, and the amount is equal to this inter electronic energy if has been counted which we get the total energy or energy as E equal to sigma 1 and sigma 2, that equal to sigma 2 or sigma I minus sigma I equal to 1 n by 2 sigma j equal to 1 n by 2 into 2 j cap ij minus k cap ij. E equal to sigma 2 sigma I plus sigma I equal to 1 n by 2 sigma j equal to 2 n by 2 into 2 j cap ij minus k cap ij. In the case of helium, for example, the orbital energy evo for the electron is in is orbital as the E1s equal to E1s naught plus 2j 1s minus k 1s E naught 1s plus 2j 1s minus j 1s that equal to E I2 E at ground state, first ground state E1s equal to E naught 1s plus J 1s. The total energy of 2 electrons is E equal to 2E1s minus 2 into J1s minus K1s, that equal to 2 E naught 1s plus 2J 1s minus J 1s Jij equal to Kij. So E equal to 2 E naught 1s plus J 1s, that equal to energy order. And Hented rotations, in this Hented rotation xi equal to 1 by root ni into pi I1 pi I2 and pi I3 pi I4 so on pi n by 2 into n, that equal to equation number 4. Okay na. E equal to xi square h cap j equal to f cap I equal to minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus z by r1 plus integral j equal to 1 n by 2 into 2 j cap j1 minus k cap j1. Okay na. F cap 1 phi I equal to ei pi I, that equal to equation number 3. J cap 1 pi 1 equal to integral pi j cap 2 1 by r2 r12 pi j 2 d tau into pi I1, that equal to equation number 4. From J is the collaboration operator, same as ఇందాక చేసిన ఆర్డర్లోనే కంప్లీట్గా చేస్తే ఫైనల్లీ వీ గెట్ దట్ ei equal to integral pi I star into 1 minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus z by r1 plus integral j equal to 1 n by 2 into 2 j cap I minus k cap j into 1 pi I d tau. Ei equal to integral pi I star into minus 1 by 2 del I square minus z by r1 into pi I d tau plus sigma j equal to 1 n by 2 integral pi I star 2 j cap j into I minus k cap j into 1 pi by 1 d tau. Ei equal to ei naught plus sigma j equal to 1 n by 2 2 j ij minus k ij equal to equation number 8. Okay na. 2 ijk equal to kik into kik equal to 2 into double integral phi 1 star into 1 and pi k star 2 1 by r12 and pi I1 pi ik d tau. Okay na. That equal to double integration minus. Finally we get that equation E equal to in sigma 2 E1 naught plus sigma I equal to 1 n by 2 sigma j equal to 1 n by 2, that equal into 2 j cap I cap minus k cap ij. For example, ES, that is equal to electron first energy level, E1s equal to E0 1s plus 2J 1s minus K 1s. First excited state energy equal to E0 first excited state plus 2J first excited state and minus Kj first excited state. E1s equal to E0 1s plus J 1s E equal to 2E1s minus 2J 1s minus K 1s E equal to 2 into E0 1s minus K J 1s minus J 1s E equal to E2 1s G 1s naught plus J 1s. That is the total calculation of total ground state and calculation of ground state energy of helium atom by using the perturbation method. Okay, now thank you students.